What's good, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna install a diffuser on Mr. Steve's car. That one is right there. But yeah, so we are going to install this diffuser. So this diffuser has a brake light right here. So when you press on the brake, this light will go on. Currently his father set up this, so he just connected it to make sure that this, when we have to connect it to this, everything will work. So now we just have to route it up, but they're gonna sort that out. All I'm gonna do is just fit the diffuser, and yeah, that should be it. So this diffuser needs to come off. So there is a small clips that this will fit over, so this needs to come out physically, and then this has to go back in. All the screws that comes with it will keep it tight. Yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna loosen all these small screws that goes into the diffuser, and then I'm gonna start removing it, and then we are gonna route this light cable straight through on the side here, and then they're gonna connect it to that diffuser on the inside. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so here's a clip. So this one I already removed, but this one here, you just come a bit closer and I'll show you. This one here, right here, there's a clip right there. So all you have to do is you just pull on it, and there it pops up. There you go. Paco, you very rescue. Okay, so his father came out and actually assisted us with removing that diffuser. That diffuser was a pain in the butt, but it is out. Now it's time to fit this one. We left the wire running through there, so for this wire, or actually a piece of metal, or what noem is it? That's the draad. We left the draad there on the side. We pushed it through, so now it's just chilling there on this on the side. Let me show you guys. So here's the draad coming through, so it's going right under there. Wait, let me show you guys there. So yeah, so right there you can see it there. So what we're gonna do is, after we fitted the diffuser, we're just gonna put this, use masking tape, tie it to that piece of metal, and then pull it through, and then you don't actually have to worry about the wiring. But with that being said, let's continue with the installation. Nee, hij is nog even passie. yeah, so there you guys go. There you guys have it. Oh, and big thanks for 1,000 subs. We at 1,100 already. So yeah, it's been a while since I've posted a video, but we're back. We're making a lot of progress. So there's a lot of stuff that I'm doing to my car as well. So stay tuned, guys. There is a lot coming. We're also going to start featuring other cars on the channel. There's a lot of stuff we can do on this channel. So if you guys have ideas, just drop it down in the comments below. Okay guys, so yeah, basically as you saw there, we did install. There's a lot of stuff that I need to explain that we did in the video. So there was a lot of adjustments we had to make to the diffuser. Unfortunately, when buying aftermarket diffusers, you have to make adjustments to it to make it look nice. You can install it as it is, but it's not going to look the best. So making those adjustments are crucial. So yeah, the fitment of this diffuser wasn't exactly the same as mine, as you basically remove the stock diffuser and then you slide the new one in it, and then you tighten it with your screws that comes with the original diffuser. So there's no need to actually put adhesive on that diffuser, even though we did. But that's the thing with aftermarket diffusers. So we had to cut a little piece off, but it's not noticeable. The thing is, the owner is gonna move the exhaust, so basically they have to cut it off, then weld it on again, but they're going to move it in the space that it needs to be. And on the other side there is a what do you call it, there is a insert for another exhaust, so it is going to do a dual exhaust. Oh, before I forget, big ups to the owner's father for doing or finishing off the edges with silicone. So basically the diffuser looks nice, because there was a small gap that his father just basically filled with silicone, and it looks, honestly, it looks perfect. It looks like it fits the car 100%. Thank you for watching, and yeah, enjoy.